What's going on YouTube? This is me, and today we're going to be looking for a really cool pen testing video, and we're going to be learning really cool things today. So we are on the web challenge from the Hack the Box, and it's called here no threshold, as you can see here. And then now we are trying in this video. So for example, we can improve our skill with SQL injection, but it's not just meaning to be. We can do it with the really cool things to be added with them. So we need somewhere the Python code, but this Python code could be here. The brute force is brute force, meaning just not meaning to be trying password or username. So in this video, actually, we are going to be trying to bypassing 2-factor, and is it's to be bypassing and the SQL injection, to brute force, and a lot of things here will be cool. It's actually grabbing us for really cool Python code. Then this Python code will be you can use for all of things your the brute force attacks, SQL injection attack, or 2-factor bypassing or something like that. So what you want to be too. So before that, let's go start, and let's try to first of all try to be understanding what is actually doing this on the website and how it's actually working. So you can come over here and double on the files. So we have right now the chance here, because we can check in here their source code. So let's say cp Elliot downloads and no threshold 1-zip. So we have to become it just over here, right? So let's say here no threshold. I think we can create thing it's just to be doing things. So let's go here and grabbing them, and then let's say 1-zip no threshold. So we have to be given password, as which one is equal to hack the box. Okay, so it's web threshold is just given here. So as right now you can see here some configuration and some challenge file. So this is the basics Docker file, so you can do it like that. It's just some basic things you can see here. So we need to be understanding to be of this challenge. We need to be go here to be cd challenge here. So we got here database.python, blueprints, and config.python, and which one is important, I think. So let's say cat config.python, and we got here we try to be get a flag from in the database URI. It's on the opt www app and no threshold done http. It's just databases, right? And the secret key as you random. So we know there's some secret key, and it's just to be changing with randomly. So we got here. So now we learn it's database.python is now it's config.python. So let's say database.python here, and it's definitely they're using SQLite 3 and def query arguments, and some SQL injection things could be here maybe. But before that, let's go for blueprints first. Yes, so that's what I'm talking about in here. Great. So right now actually we found here dashboard.python, index.python, login, and verify 2-factor is Python file here. So right now we can go his authentication and login, and it says us is request forwarded by administrator rules, as you can see here. So let's say let's thinking about actually what we can do, and go for shop, and it's to redirect us here. And then let's check it out what's going on here, and it's just nothing showing us for the login page. To be understanding it, I think we can go here to source code, and then let's just say sublime tags and login.python, and then let's see what's going on here. So they're actually yes, there's an SQL injection things, and we can easily to be see this. I think it's using like select username password from users via username and the password. So this could be injectable. So let's take a note, and let's see what's going on here. And then when it's to login successfully, it has to be redirect as authentication verified to factory here. This is really important. So I'm just wonder. Okay, so this is another important thing here, because is set to factory count is they're using here HTML to factory codes and join random choices, strings, digits, and when is key equal to D, and it will be changing for just for 5 minutes. So we need to be doing what we have to be do just in 5 minutes, I think. Let's say cat verify to factor in Python. So this is basic. So cat dashboard, and let's say what's going on here. So Sublime tag and dashboard.python file. Okay, they're just opening here the function, which one is equal dashboard BP, and the recursive authentication is function argument, and is just here. So this argument is return as the actually is redirect as to here authentication and login, but it's not available. It's because when it's redirect as to here dashboard, it's need to be giving us here private dashboard.html, and it's need to be giving us to here config and flag. So we need to be bypassing 403, right? So let's check it out. So when we go to when we try to go here authentication and login, it's just a 403 forbidden. Okay, let's say 403 forbidden bypassing. So let's say go for hack tricks here, and I think it could be something changed. Okay, so it's just say you can use it here to forward it. So let's try to be looking for when I'm going to authentication and login page, and then let's see one more time is intercept this out and go back here and intercept this on again, go for and login page and just see what's going on here. So it says we can try here x forwarded 4, and then it's when it's actually going to hold you just giving into here and after the host file. So let's checking for it says path fuzzing, which one is really cool, and you can checking here the fuzzing. So we can do something here for the fuzzing file. For example, and it says about you can try another directory here, then as like to be dot or something like that, but try is also on to URL and or double URL encoding. Okay, so let's just give it here, try using this maybe. Okay, let's just give it here. Is it gonna be work? Okay, so let's check it for which mean is this. Okay, so let's decode it as URL, and it means just dot, right? So let's try to be send it, and let's see what's going on here. It's right now it's giving us a 403 forbidden, and then 404 is not fun. It's just right now it's giving us. So let's say okay, we just have to be try here a dot, right? So when sending it and it says our 200. Okay, so when I'm trying to be adding here add a dot, and it's gonna be will be fuzzing for us, and it will be changing, but it's not here. So let's say here okay dot is maybe we're gonna be working like that, and then it says our again is nothing here is working. So let's try like that, and it's again is not working. So as it not successfully be got here, but it's not just try here, because we are seeing here it's working and it's redirect us to here login page. So then that means we have to be go here and go for intercept this on and the login page and go over there and add it here just dot. So let me forward it and let's see what's going on. Then we are successfully be accessing here the login page. So let me actually intercept this still is on, and let me show you it's here the which one is equal to on the login page. That was we got it here on the login.python, and it means is login.python is just saving here. So we need to be finding here or to be SQL injection things. So which one is equal here? So they are user and query databases. The select username and the password from user by username is here. So we are now right now it is the actually injectable. and this is injectable code is over there, so they have to be changed. But right now we have to be use it for to be gathering here to be successful login as admin, or what I want to be do here. So that's what I'm talking to you, what I'm talking about you to here. That's actually really cool. So let's say we need to be changed, and let's say how is it gonna be working here. So if I'm gonna be selected here, we just know is password from users, the values as, and let's change it with for example as an admin, right? It could be like that, or and before the giving here a password, so we can say or, and the one is equal to 1, right? Then it will be our injectable code, and give it here the password, anything you want. For example, you can give an admin like that. So if it's configured and it's actual setting like that, so that means our SQL injection will be working like that. So let's thinking about what could be our SQL injection pipe. It's actually what could be our SQL injection coding here. So for example, let's say for example give it here admin and admin2, and then let's submit it, and it's saying us here is a post on login, and it's giving us here username and password. So let's just go here and grabbing here, it's actually right there. So right now is important things what we can just try here. So the one username is actually equal here an admin, so we need to be giving here admin. Okay, so let me giving his admin actually. Then we can just try or 1 equals 1. So let's say or equal 1 equals 1 here. Then you just have to be grabbing here the password, and you can grabbing here what you want. So if you're not sure about it, so you can try another things for password. So you can just giving here the lol, or trying to be on different things. And for example, you can also is giving the forward to be admin is equal or the 1 equals 1. So let's say like that. So it doesn't matter. So actually how you want to be give it this is, so you can give it like that. Okay. So that could be or to be Python code. So let's just try if it's working, if it's not gonna be working. So we can changing is basically. So let me forward it, and then let's go here, nothing here. So it says or as nothing is changing. So we need to be doing, and what we can do is before, and then we need to be just go for intercepts on, and just go here, and it means we need to be changing our the SQL injection payload, right? So let's go intercept is on again, and the login page here, and go for adding here dot, and then giving here an admin2, as like could be like that. Okay, so let me submit it, and this need to be, we have to be changed for SQL injection payload. So let's changing it with let's say admin, and or when 1 equals 1. So let's say just like that, 1 equals 1 as password and admin. So let's say I'm giving like that, and let me forward it, and let's say what's going on here. It's again still giving us here it's not working. So that means we need to be changing, it's actually we need to be changing or and what we have to be doing here, right? So it's because it's not gonna be working. So it's because not working because of we are not adding here a dot, right? So let's try. Okay, so let me say is admin again, and if I'm gonna be adding here and dot and giving it this one for this value. So let's see what's going on here. Forward it, then it's redirect us here authentication verify, and then to verify code verify here. So that means we need to be bypassing this one. It's two-factor bypassing. It's actually two-factor code verify here. We need to be bypassing, as you know, but it's just not meaning to be we can do for the sending on intrida. So for example, you are giving here 1 2 3 4, and like just let's say is a submitted it, and then let's see what's going. Okay, so for example, you can not sending it's like intrida, and the sending on the here the payloads, it's not gonna be working. because when we're seeing here 2b4, so let's say sublime and verify to factory code, that we are seeing here it's not going to be changing it directly. So we need to be changing it really cool, because when you're checking here the dashboard.python, it was not dashboard.python, it was on here. Yeah, it's two factory codes, well, it's just changing for 5 minutes. So we cannot do it because we need to be adding here dot actually 2. So it's because it's not gonna be working, but whenever forwarded it is invalid two factory code here. So for example, if it's changing for a 5 minute, so we cannot try here to be int reader, because int reader is not gonna be working here. So it means we need to be here coding Python. So let's do it. If you are working here with the web server, we need to be using here requesting. But I'm gonna be showing you here today is trading Python. So let me checking for trading Python. It could be her multi-trading, or you can say what's checking for is. I was using here trading model one more time to too many things. Because for example we got it, and I just checking here. So let's say it was the OXDF code here, and that was I think he was teach me how can I use it. I will share this with you, and let me check it for, yeah, it's the multi-threading is over there. So we need to be changing here our threading model on our Python code. So anyway, just go here and let's say this terminal and go for cd up the web and not threshold. Okay, we can go here. So let's say here sublime tags and exploit Python. So we need to be coding here our Python code. So as you know, we need to be trying here some threading, because in Python threading module provides a very simple and intuitive API for spawning multiple threads in a program. Let us try to understand multi-ring code by step. So we need to be using here threading, and for sure we need to be using here import request is which one is really equal things, because without requesting we cannot giving anything from our target. So let's say first of all we need to be giving our target here, right? So let's just giving here a target. So I just want to be giving targets like that. Okay, our target not we can be going here. So we can just give it here. After that, we can add here successfully to be directory here, right? That's really important, I think. So right now we need to be giving here on the which it's actually working on this SQL injection codes, and then we've the we got it here is over here. Yeah, it's not to be authentication login page here. It will be go or the which value we are giving actually here, right? So then we need to be giving here or to be data. So let's just giving here the data first, and it will be or equal to SQL injection payload. So let's just say here, and what we are using it before is username as admin and password as like that. So that's actually how I'm actually using it. So just giving your as like application JSON, because I generally use it for application JSON, as you can see understanding here, I think. So we need to be changing here this one and adding here the comment say. So let's go to here and then adding here password and lol and as like that. So you can see it's gonna be or data file you know, the for SQL injection payload. So we are just changing it what we are using here with just application JSON, right? You can just write another things by generally doing like that. So we need to be sending it right, requesting post, right? So the first of all, let's check it out how does it work, and I just want to be go here. Okay, so in the proxy and the intercept is what I want to be do here right now. Okay, intercept is on, and then go for login page, and just we need to be adding here that and giving here the forwarded. So let's check it out how it's working actually. So let's say ACD or something like that. So they are using here a post method, so that's which one we have to be adding here requesting post. Okay, so let's say request and post. So we need to be adding this because of they're using here post methods. So as of right now we need to be adding or to be the first of all or target. So it's because it's equal here with this directory. So let's say okay, it will be the equal to target, right? So let me checking for user more cooler, and I just go grab it here. Okay, target and plus we need to be adding here in directory as you can I told you before, and it will could be equal to here authentication and login page, and as like that. Now we need to be giving our data, and or our data is equal to this, and this is already the SQL injection payload, so we can just grabbing this directly. Okay, it's not going to be changing. So it's actually to be writing here this Python code is meaning to be bypassing verify on 2-factory. So that's because I need to be creating is a function, and which we want to be doing here to brute force attack for 2-factory code, right? So let's say def, and we're just using here for creating a function. So and after that we can calling or the function called brute to fi as like that, and then just start, for example, we can see, so it will be starting how we found. So then we can try the way to be we're sending it with treating how we do. So it's treating is using for font of a, so let's say global, and it's global we need to be used, and which the function name we found, and let's giving here font of a. All right. So another things we need to be give here as global, I guess again that it's need to be counting here treat. So let's say treat and count. So we need to be changing like that. So right now we need to be giving here the treat count, and the treat count for we can give it in the for value for in range, and it could be starting here, and because we are giving here the start for the value of or the function, then start again here, and I just need to be changing like that. And so let's say here on the v 10,000, because they're just starting with here on the 000 and go for the 99 as like that. So it's why we are giving here in the 10,000s. So it's need to be changing with the trade counts. Okay, so they will be it's actually returning for in the for while, and then with the 10,000 string code here. So that's what I'm actually talking about. So just giving here semicolon, and I just say if the font 2fa, so it means it's a font of 2fa, just return it. It's because it's need to be to contain our codes. So it's not gonna be working font 2fa, just return it. Then okay, so it's need to be returned for us, and our data could be here to the which one is equal here, and then 2-factory it's as here. So let's check it or repeater. Let's check it out. Yeah, as 2-factory code, as you can see here. So we need to be added here in the 2-factory code, and then it's 2-factory code is equal to string. So this strings we have to be calling is I, because why we're giving here, and the for directory is I. So 2-factory code could be equal to anything on to be 10,000 counts, and it's changing with the string, and which one is equal to here I. The one 2-factory code is equal that it need to be giving me a flag, right? So then that means or to be changing this with the same things. So how we are grabbing his requesting method here, because they also using here post methods, and it means we need to be doing the same things with it again here. So directly we need to be say r is equal to request and post, and then we need to be using here post method again. So then you can go as a target, and why we are giving here the target here is just because of that. Then the which directory we need to be now, it could be equal to here authentication verify 2fa. So let's just go here and then just giving this authentication to verify 2fa. So then it could be equal to data here, because why we're giving his here, it's because of that, because the trained account will be trying to be all value is over there, and that means why we're using this. Okay, that's great. So as of right now we can say if it will say here the what it's talking about if you are giving your invalid code, and then what about to be it's giving us here you should be dark URL authentication null. So let's say let's giving or ask injection coding here. Okay, then we can add here dot dot, and then let me forward it, and then let's checking out what's going on here. Okay, let me forward it, and forward it too, and okay, it says our, so for example 1 2 3 4, and then let's check it out what it says. Okay, so we need to be added here dot 2, and then let me say forward, and then it says invalid 2fa code is as like here. So we need to be at it's in the not in the requesting tags here. So what we are giving here are, then we are giving here and in our tags. Okay, font to hey equal to be true. Oh no, bro. All right, so it could be equal to true because it's not the correct one. But if what it says when we are finding here the flag here, so let's go up challenge cd blueprints cat verify to a, when it says when we are grabbing here the flag, so I'm just trying to be grabbing it invalid to factory code. But what about we find it here flag? What about we find it here flag, man? Alright, so let's say index.python. Nope, not here, right? Cat dashboard.python is not here again. Cat login.python here. So as it could be here, I'm last checking out of here, man. I'm really not sure what it says if we can find it here successfully to be 2-factory codes, and I'm really wonder what it says here. So let's check it out here. So if it says or something like that, it could be something in our tags. So it has to be giving us here print str I. So it's need to be giving us here or print or the tags as like that. That's great. So it's to have it actually giving us here the flag of the flag value especially. So that's what I'm talking about. So need to be go here on the thread value. So it's, you can see it's like that's working like that. So we need to be doing what we have to be doing here is the same things. That's what I'm talking about actually. Let's check it out and how they are working with thread value. So you can check it out and you will see on how is it going to be working here. Let's say to be giving here the threads value, because our threads value will be starting here as null. So it will be starting here 0. So why I'm giving is 1. So for I in range, it's could be here as a 1 2. It's need to be starting here 1000 to and 10,000, right? So it's need to be starting those one to before trying here. All right, so let's just again I would give it here for thread account the thread count for, and for it's just for trying this. So we are just giving here what we are giving here, this one. So it's gonna be starting, and starting as plus is what we have to be try. So right now is we have to be threads here. Because we have to be using append, because it's append will be trying. What we are going to be do is could be on the threading and the thread, and these are will always not always changing. It's could be like that because our target will be equal here birthday a to starting here. Then the arguments we need to be give. Okay, so our arguments will be equal here I, because what? Because of what? Because we are giving here for the 10,000 is I is over there. Okay, so this is the last thing we need to be changing. Start and join it. Join for this for I in it's could be on the threads and starts. Okay, just have to be starting here, and okay, that's gonna be starts. It's could be here started here, and for I enter it. It has to be here join, right? It has to be here join. So this will look like cool, I think, but and we need to be giving here tweet count, and then let's tweet count here because it needs to be starting somewhere. But for example, you can say is a 50 font 2fa false, let's say. All right, just do this here. Where was it? All right, so we need to be giving here something here because what it says, if we can find it here successfully to be two-factor code. What it says, look, okay, let's check it out. I have no idea what is not templated it. So let's say cat index.python. As in here cat login.python. Okay, it's giving here invalid username. What about us? What about us? Okay, let's say verify two-factor because it's empty. Okay, invalid two-factor code. No. What about if we can find it here successfully? So it's need to be on cat dashboard, I imagine. But it's not still here, I think. So let's checking out cat config.python. Nope, cat. Okay, it's not cool be here, but let's check it out. Cat database.python. No way to be here for sure. Okay, let's check it out. Templates private. Cat dashboard.html. Let's say verify to a HTML here. No. Alright, so let's try to be giving our to, let's say welcome, and here is your flag, for example. Okay, let's check it out. Let's check it out. Alright, great. So let's check it out. Opt web and no threshold. So we can right now is go here and then let's check it out. Can we did here something wrong, Python 3 and exploit that Python. We are doing here something wrong. What's wrong here? Okay, trading 3 target port 3a. Alright, so I don't think so, but let's try. Yes, it's not because of this. I don't know why. Where's wrong? Is it one more? Is more here? Okay, it's grabbing this one. It's grabbing this one. Yeah, it's grabbing this one. Okay, that's okay. So let's go. To syntax or positional argument follow keyword arguments. So I cannot understand what it says right now. Let's go ChatGPT, but it's because we are not giving here anyone as arguments. All right, let me ask. I don't know where it's wrong, but I don't think so. Something is wrong here. Alright, so it's not because of this, right? Nope. I don't know. Trading and tweet. Target, it has to be equal here. I don't know where it's wrong. So let's check it out here. Maybe it's ChatGPT will work for us. I don't know. Alright, so that's because we are not giving here any more arguments, maybe, I imagine. Now let's check it out. Let's check. Is it high? Is it working? Yeah. Okay, let me copy that. Give it here, and give it here as also. Okay, what's wrong? What's wrong here? What's wrong here? All right. Here is a corrected line. Where was the wrong? Okay, alright. Okay. Let's check it out if it's bug. Alright, chat. Let's check it out if it's bug. So it's need to be bug here. Let's check it out. I don't know where was my, but it should be tuple, you know, to put insert parentheses a create tuple. Alright, I think it's working right now. So let's check it out. So maybe we are doing wrong. Let's check it out. Can you change this codes? I wanna see every try on my console. Maybe we can change it. Alright, it's got something, I think. Alright, chat. So let's check it out as well. Let's check it out. Okay, let's check it out. Let's check it out. What it says. Let's check it out. You know, it's trying really hard, as you can see here. It's really fast, man. It's really fast. You know, this one is really fast, and it will be fun for us. The 2 factory cut. You know, check this fast. You know, this is really fast, bro. This is really fast. While waiting is fun. While waiting is fun. Why is grabbing slow? Is it fun? Alright, let's chat it. Alright, let's check it out. I don't know why it's not working right now. It needs to be work, I think. Alright, it's treating a module for two verification codes, and then it will be is it 10,000? This is 10,002. I don't know why it's not working here. Let's check it out. Let me intercept the zone. Okay, let me say continue. Alright, starting here. So we need to be do this right. Okay, so let's go here. Alright. This need to be work right now. This need to be work. Let's try. Okay. Is it something different here? As that means I think it's funny here, right? To which one is his strength? Alright, chat. Let me try again. Let me show you my Python codes for. I think you can try this on your every your the Python and 2fa code. I think. Alright, it's not working right now, but it's need to be found somewhere. Okay. So that was work, but it's need to be time here, and I want to take your time. And thank you for watching this video.